Tonight, investigators are surveying the damage at a Lawrence motel after it burned to the ground. This is a look on the left at how bad the flames were just 24 hours ago. And look at the right. That's the icy mess now left behind. 41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez is live in Lawrence today. And Andres, what is the latest now on how the fire started? Do we know?
Rhiannon, the ATF tells me that they have 2 fire investigators here at the scene assisting the Kansas State Fire Marshal in the Lawrence Fire Department, who said today that although this hotel had smoke detectors, it didn't have any sprinklers. Today, the sheets of ice that cover this America's Best Value Inn made for a picturesque moment in the midst of the destruction caused by this raging inferno.
That's where my bedroom was.
But hotel guests like Brandy Bohan tell 41 Action News it didn't start that way.
The owner came in, opened my door, but I had my latch locked, and he was screaming, "Fire, fire, fire!" And so I got my pants on, and I had been sleeping, so I threw my pants on and I opened the door and I saw smoke in the hallway.
Bohan and 10 other guests made it out of the hotel before firefighters showed up Monday at noon. Initially, firefighters had the upper hand, attacking the blaze.
We sat there for about 3.5 hours watching it just gradually get worse up to the front on the south side, and my car was in the back and full of ice.
You could spot Bohan's red car right there from Sky Tracker as the fire started to rip through the hotel.
It is all wood construction, and so we can only surmise at this point that the fire got into the structural members early and traveled through void spaces, whether it's the joist spaces in the floors, the attic area, and just was able to get ahead of us faster than we were able to cut it off and stop it.
3 firefighters and a hotel employee were hurt as a result of this fire. All of them suffered minor injuries.
Well, I didn't think that it would be this bad, you know, and I've never experienced a fire in my life. I have my life, and things can be replaced. So I'm praying to God that my car is okay.
And now back live, you could see her car right there in the distance covered in ice. Fire investigators still have not given her a timetable as to when she'll be able to retrieve that car. In the meantime, Bohan is staying at a hotel down the road. Reporting live tonight in Lawrence, Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.